2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.